And those are called transitional objects by psychology. It's things that we form attachments with to handle our inner conflicts. Now, there are variations in the themes given different psychological schools, and they emphasize different things, but all of them pretty much talk about those stages. And here's a way cool thing I used to teach, but I haven't taught in years. The Enneagram precisely follows that sequence from 9 to 9. 9, we begin undifferentiated matrix of consciousness. 1, there's good and bad. We start to split. 2, we're in the symbiotic union where things can work in terms of need or not. 3 is also called the practicing phase. We start to experiment with doing our own thing, to being autonomous, but we're constantly looking back to see if we got it right. Did I do it right, mommy? Did I get it right? Is this good, daddy? Practicing phase. 4, individuation. I'm this way and you're that way. 5, separation. I can't need mommy anymore. 6, looking for idealization objects, people who can help me get the ropes, getting some kind of basis to separate on, be my own person. 7, transitional objects. I used to joke that 7s, when there's not enough, when there is not an adequate transitional object present, I start to have separation anxiety, and I call it boredom. It's actually anxiety, right? And then 8 is I've attained autonomy. I can be my own person. I can take care of my own needs. And now because I can, 9 again, from myself, I can connect with you. And there you go. Isn't that cool? Helps you remember it too. So the Enneagram is, what's so cool about it, as I've said many times, it's not just 9 types. It's kind of an archetypal, it's like a mandala that has many universal patterns locked into it. Many different truths can be understood through that lens. Very helpful.